Halo guys, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Jumpa lagi bersama saya di Marola Chanel. Seperti biasa, kami akan selalu mengupdate informasi-informasi terbaru seputar Putri Ariani, yang mana setiap hari makin diburu oleh para rektor-rektor luar negeri dan juga para musisi-musisi luar negeri yang masih penasaran dengan teknik-teknik vokal akapela yang dibawakan Putri. Nah, di video kali ini kita akan melihat reaksi dua orang redaktor atau salah satunya seorang produser musik dari luar negeri yang masih mempertanyakan teknik akapela yang dipakai Putri. Kenapa seindah ini ketika Putri membawakannya versi YouTube yang ini ya. Nah, penasaran seperti apa reaksinya? Langsung saja kita saksikan. Let's go!
I still haven't found what I'm looking for by U2. It's such a famous song. It's so monumental. I love the original, but I'm very excited to see what Putri Ariani does with it because everything she sings turns to gold. I've heard two of her songs. They've both been great. This will be number 3. I'm excited. Let's get into it.
I love Putri. Y'all know this. We didn't listen to multiple Putri videos, and she is just amazing. So yeah, just check it out. The link to it will be in the description below. And with that said, let's just jump on in it.
Yeah, let's go.
Okay, let's go.
I have climbed highest mountains. I have climbed highest mountains.
Okay, she's starting with, we got to give this the full appreciation. I was still talking at the beginning, okay? We got to give this the full appreciation. She's starting with acapella. Let's do this again.
Wow, mantap. Dia langsung memberikan apresiasi kepada akapela Putri ya. Mantap, mantap.
Great phrasing.
Only to be with you. Only to be with you.
So unique and different.
But I still haven't found what I'm looking for.
Bro, she's too good. Oh my god, I almost knock everything over. She's too good.
I believe in the kingdom come, then all the colors will bleed into one, bleed into one. But yes, I'm still running. You broke the bonds and you lose a chance, carried the cross and my shame, oh my shame. You know I
Ooh, did y'all hear that little
mantap.
that run? Dude, I ain't even try to replicate it, but hey, that's not a fire. Okay, hold on, let me go back a little bit.
So different than the original. I love it.
But I still haven't found what I'm looking for.
Ooh, nice voice leading right there. Gorgeous piano part.
But I still haven't found what I'm looking for. But I still haven't found.
Yeah.
But I still haven't found
Nice recovery.
what I'm looking
But how long is this video? Are we gonna get to hear the judges?
Dang, the power in that last note. Thank you. Woo, that's what I'm talking about. That is how you cover a piece of music. You take something that is as famous as the original song and you spin it and make it your own and do a completely different arrangement, man. Mainly voice, a little bit. I mean, it's primarily a cappella with a little bit of a piano accompaniment there. It was great. And the middle section, there was some really, really tasty voice leading going on with the harmonic function of the chords. It just made it a completely different listening experience than the original. And that, to me, I'd be curious to know what U2 thinks about that. AGT has got a gargantuan platform. I'm sure they've heard it. I mean, so many people have covered this song, but I feel like this is a really unique version of that. So,
Wow, mantap. Itu apresiasi yang
Please
lebih
tell me
sekali
the
ya.
judges. Thank you. Innovation.
Putri
Deserved.
Ariani. Simon.
All right, come on.
Putri, I'm actually kind of speechless right now. Look, you know what? What I was thinking was, first of all, what a beautiful voice you've got. What a beautiful version.
Amen.
And honestly, Putri, this is why I still do this job, for moments like this.
Yeah.
genuinely.
That's a good
Because
compliment.
That was so beautiful, and I do want to thank you too, because they don't clear their songs, because I understand this. A lot of bands don't clear their songs, but they cleared this song for Putri to sing because they saw her audition and they knew how much this would mean to her. And I cannot
so
thank
cool.
you enough, because I think you've just hopefully changed this girl's life.
Thank you so much.
Yes.
Sophia.
You two is the goats.
I don't think I've ever heard something more beautiful in my life.
Thank you so much.
That was spectacular. Every note, the feeling, what you were making us feel, it was amazing. One of my favorite songs of all time. I think
Yes.
this was the perfect act.
Yeah, it was a perfect
Heidi.
performance.
You sounded so
4 kali
beautiful, and
perfectnya
I
ya.
thought to myself, this is probably what it sounds like when an angel is singing. Literally.
True.
So beautiful. And I do hope that Bono gets to hear this, and I wish you all the luck. I mean, you have a stunning voice. Thank you.
Yes, she does.
Great comment, Howie.
Perfection!
Hey, perfection.
Putri, what do you want to say to Simon and the rest of America?
I would like to say thank you so much, Simon, and all the people who supported me. You already changed my life beautifully, and please vote for me. Thank you so much.
Oke, dan kamu juga kalau kamu di
Oh,
Amerika
man.
tolong vote Putri ya.
That was cool. She said you already changed her life. That's cool. She was shouting everybody out whether she wins or loses. That's fire. Everybody go vote for Putri. That's like the number one thing I say in my streams and my comments. Vote for Putri. Vote for Putri. Like vote for Pedro, like the T-shirt. Vote for Putri. But hey, dude, she's like amazing, bro. Like her vocals and like her control and even her piano playing ability always blows my mind because she's blind. Like she can't see what she's doing, and it's just amazing. Like she is genuinely a person that had no limits.
Oke, mantap, luar biasa. Ini dia guys, mungkin hampir semua reaktor atau para musisi-musisi luar negeri ini yang bereaksi Putri selalu mempertanyakan dan selalu memuji teknik akapela yang digunakan Putri. Itu yang sangat luar biasa sekali ya guys ya. Jarang-jarang para kontestan atau sebuah audisi yang akan nyanyi itu jarang sekali mereka menggunakan akapela. Rata-rata hampir semuanya menggunakan musik ya. Tapi Putri di sini tampil beda. Putri bahkan mendapatkan pujian yang luar biasa sekali oleh para dewan juri dan juga para musisi luar negeri karena teknik akapelanya yang sangat luar biasa sekali. Oke guys, terima kasih banyak bagi yang telah menonton dan jangan lupa link originalnya ada di deskripsi dan nantikan terus video berikutnya di Marola Channel. Thank you.